Good morning, students. So, today we'll deal with a new chapter from the geography part, that is your first lesson, the universe and the solar system. So, now we'll go with the universe. Okay, so first of all, we'll explain about the topic in this entire title, that is the universe and solar system. Okay, so the first word is universe. So, universe na enna? The meaning of it, okay, and what and all consists of our universe. This is all we are going to see now. Okay, Mama. Now, the universe is actually a vast expanse of space. Vast expanse of space means a large extent of space, okay, a large extent of area. ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பெரிய இடம், okay, together is called your universe. So most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 billion years ago. So this sentence says that, okay, a Big Bang theory is actually present, and according to that Big Bang theory, the universe have been evolved, it has been emerged, okay va. So appada universe vandu uruvaachunu solittu astronomers, adavadhu astronauts, okay, so those persons gave a evidentable revealment, okay. So but actually it was a belief only, and in the Big Bang theory explosion vandu 15 million years ago before it actually took place. Fine, okay. So about this Big Bang theory and all, it's not important for you, ma. It will be coming in your upcoming 10th or 12th classes, okay. Now we'll go into detail. So the universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and natural satellites, okay. And all about these consistments, அதாவது universe கிட்ட என்ன இருக்கு, so what and all are the contents of this universe, will study in detail under each and every topics. Fine. So these are collectively called as celestial bodies, okay. So what are celestial bodies will be asked question, and celestial bodies are the galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and natural satellites are your celestial bodies, and these are located far away from each other, okay. So these celestial bodies are not located simultaneously, that is one after the other, they are located far away from each other. Next point is, a light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies, okay. So celestial bodies are placed far away, and the SI unit used to measure the celestial body is light year. And now we'll see what is galaxy, ma. Okay, so galaxy is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by the gravitational force, okay. So this sentence means that this galaxy is a combination of a cluster of stars, okay. That means நிறைய stars or a cluster, okay. So the group together is called your cluster of stars, okay. அதோட huge cluster is called your galaxy, okay. So வெறும் cluster of stars இருக்கும், அதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்தாப்புல it will be forming a very huge group that together will be forming your galaxy, which are held together by the gravitational force, okay. So stars எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து they are being attached with each other like a cluster. It is because of the force called your gravitational force, okay. And most of the galaxies are scattered in the space, but some remain in groups, okay. So those cluster of stars will be somewhere scattered alla பரப்பி போயிருக்கும், and somewhere it will be remaining in the sort of groups, okay. So somewhere those clusters will be in the form of the groups, okay. That is the two types of the presence of cluster of stars in your galaxy. Second point is, the Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. So Big Bang explosion was about 15 million years ago, I said you right now. So that time was actually about 5 million years after Big Bang explosion only Milky Way galaxy was formed, okay. So Milky Way galaxy வந்துட்டு 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion it was been formed, and our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system with our own planets, okay, so this together is also a planet of, okay, part of the Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy, okay. This sentence you have to just remember, ma. That is, Andromeda galaxy is placed in very near area to the Earth apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy. So now we'll see with the hierarchy of the universe, okay. So hierarchy of universe, it is given that first formed thing was our universe. Okay, so first formed was universe, and adjacent to the universe, next to the universe was galaxy being formed. Okay, and after galaxy, solar system was being formed, and after our solar system, planets were formed. Okay, that is, our solar system consists of planets, right? So planets were being formed, and after planets only satellites also came into existence. Okay, so this is all about the hierarchy of our universe, and this is very important for you. Just put a important mark of this. They'll be asking you a question. Okay, so do your QB questions and assignment given to you on this particular topic, and do submit it on time. Okay ma, then stay safe and also take care of yourself.